Meet Jim and Hannah. They love each other very much and married just a year ago. From the day they got married, they have never missed to go on a long drive after a dinner at Hannah's favorite restaurant every Saturday evening. It's Saturday evening, and as always, the lovely couple is in their car driving towards the restaurant for the dinner. Oh no, this is not looking good. The radiator is not working. Jim quickly pulls out his phone and Googles for a mobile mechanic. Fortunately, he finds Transit Care Service, where we are committed to providing high-quality mobile mechanic service and quick turnaround. So Jim immediately calls us at 855-932-2558 and makes an appointment. Our mechanic reaches and replaces the radiator without any hassle. Now Jim and Hannah can enjoy their evening as they always do, thanks to Transit Care Service. For more information, visit our website, www.transitcareservice.com, or dial 855-932-2558 to get in touch with us.